and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, isasama ko kayo sa errands namin ng family ko. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click the subscribe button and also the bell button beside it para manonotify kayo every time I post a new video. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So as you can see, medyo dusty kasi kakatapos lang ng sandstorm. Guys, we're here na and pababa na kami and papakita ko sa inyo yung car tour. Let's go!
Several days later.
Hey guys, it's Mitch and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's Tiffany's birthday. So I'm gonna make her a cake. So DIY yung gagawin ko. So kagaya dito sa Jeddah, hindi ko alam kung saan makakabili ng cake. So I decided to make one. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. So first, 1/2 cup of cooking oil. You can use vegetable oil, whatever you happen to have on hand. I also mix in a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2/3 cup of honey, and you want to make sure this is natural honey. And then add 2 whisk eggs. And then you're gonna mix this all together. Now to my mixture, I'm going to add shredded carrot. And then add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. I have 2 cups of whole wheat flour. So I'm going to mix it. Now my dough is all combined. I have a cake pan right here. Actually, any cake pan that you want to use, pwede naman. And then set your oven to 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. And after nun, let it cool down for 10 minutes.
A few minutes later.
So as you can see, medyo nag-fail. Actually, binaliktad ko lang yan. And then nagka-hiwa-hiwala yung ibang parts ng cake. So para ma-fix yan, to fix that, I'm going to put peanut butter. Isa-spread ko siya. And then, if nag-fail pa rin siya, pwede mo siya i-decorate. Pero, nasa sa inyo yun kung paano yung i-decorate. You can choose different fruits, ganyan. Pero, choose ko yung strawberry and bananas. This is how it looked like. Shaped like a bone. And then, diba, naghiwa-hiwala yung sa top na part. So, naglagyan ako ng peanut butter. Pero hindi pa rin siya natakpat. So, I've decided to put fruits na favorite ni Tiffany. So, here's the strawberry and also bananas. So, wow! Yummy! Tinitake na niya muna. Happy birthday, baby! Individual ko. Tiffany! Hello, baby! Hello! Tiffany! You're so hyper! She's getting this one. That's my friend! Hello, baby girl! Happy birthday! That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. And if you don't like this video, i-share mo na lang. Malay mo may matutunan din yung iba na gusto rin gumawa ng DIY cake for their dogs. So, thank you so much, guys. And I will see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah!